Question 9. Electronics and Communication Engineering, GATE 2016 Set 1. Consider a two-port network with transmission matrix T is equal to A, B, C and D. If the network is reciprocal, then option A, T inverse is equal to T. Option B, T square is equal to T. Option C, determinant of T is 0. And option D, determinant of T is 1. For a detailed lecture on this concept, please refer the NPTEL video, Lecture 4 Two-Port Parameters, Short Circuit and Open Circuit by Professor T. K. Basu, Department of Electrical Engineering, IIT Kharagpur. Let's have a look at the basic concepts required to solve this problem. Consider a two-port network shown in the figure. Let's say that V1 is the input voltage and V2 is the output voltage. Now, the currents I1 and I2 are the input and the output currents respectively. Then, this is the ABCD parameter equation, where we express the input voltage and the input current as a function of transfer parameters of the output voltage and output current. In the problem, it is given that this is a reciprocal network. Therefore, it means that when input of, let's say, VA is applied at the input port, then a current of IA is induced at the output port. If this is a reciprocal network, then when we apply a voltage of VA at the output port, then the same current of IA will be induced in the input port. This is a reciprocal network. Therefore, let us label this as case 1 and this as case 2. We saw that this is the transmission parameters. Let's have Vs to be the supply voltage under normal conditions. Vs will be A into V0 plus B into I0, where I0 is the output current and V0 is the output voltage and Is is the input current. This is equal to C times V0 plus D times I0. So, according to case 1, we have short circuited the output port. In the first case, V0 is equal to 0 volt and I0 is equal to IA, and we are applying a voltage of VA at the input. Therefore, Vs is equal to VA in this case. So, let's rewrite the equation in terms of these parameters. Equation 1 now becomes VA is equal to A into 0 plus B into IA. Therefore, VA divided by IA is equal to B. Let's have this aside and find the ratio VA divided by IA for the case 2. In the second case, V0 becomes VA and Is is equal to minus of IA because the direction of IA is towards this way. We have short circuited the input port. Therefore, Vs is equal to 0 volt. The first equation becomes 0 equals A times VA plus B times IA. And the second equation becomes minus IA is equal to C times VA plus D times IA. Now let's find out the value of IA in the first equation and substitute here. From this, IA will be minus AVA divided by B. So this implies that minus IA is equal to CVA minus DA into VA divided by B. So this implies that minus IA is equal to VA into VC minus DA divided by B. Our objective was to find out the ratio VA by IA in both cases. Therefore, VA divided by IA is equal to minus B divided by VC minus DA. So this is equal to B divided by DA minus BC. So now we have one more value of VA by IA. According to the first equation, VA by IA is B, and according to this is B divided by DA minus BC. Let's equate both of them. Therefore, VA divided by IA will be B, which is also same as B divided by DA minus BC. So this implies that DA minus BC is equal to 1. The transmission matrix is given by A, B, C and D. So the determinant of this is equal to AD minus BC. Therefore, from this equation we can infer that the determinant of the T matrix is equal to 1. Therefore, the correct answer is option D, determinant of T is equal to 1.